Hi, I'm Kevin Morse.
Hi, I'm Dina Morse, and we own Elite Collision Center in Battle Ground, Washington.
We've been in Battle Ground for over 20 years. We just celebrated our 20-year anniversary in February, and our family has been in Battle Ground for over 35 years. Some of the amazing things that we do here at Elite.
I think our caring about our customers stands above any other body shop in the industry, the area.
I think we try to be a consumer advocate for the customer when they come in and not get maybe misled by an insurance company. It's one thing that we've always strived to do is make sure that customer knows and can navigate the cumbersome claims process.
I think insurance companies try to save money any way they can, and aftermarket parts is one way they do that. And here at Elite, we do not put aftermarket parts on vehicles. We follow original equipment manufacturer recommendations. We look up their repair procedures, and we put OEM parts on their cars.
We used to be a shop that installed insurance recommended aftermarket parts, and we found that we returned over 90% of those parts that failed our quality control standard. So that tells me right there that if we put an aftermarket part on or another shop puts an aftermarket part on, you can almost guarantee that you're getting an inferior product. One of the things, if you're ever interviewing a shop, we always ask the customer, check and see what their warranty is on their refinish. If they won't stand behind the product and what they painted for the lifetime that they own the vehicle, probably need to choose another shop. I think a couple things that really sets us apart from the competition is the fact that we do use all original equipment parts. We offer a lifetime refinish warranty. We are a consumer advocate shop, and we research all OEM repair information on every vehicle so that we know how to fix your car. That's so important because it's not us who decide how to fix your car. It's the manufacturer who tells us how they want the car fixed, which we do that for our customers at each and every repair. I think one of the best things we love about Battle Ground being 20 years into this thing is the amazing culture and community here. We're 35 years of being business owners in Battle Ground, and our customers are amazing, right? The support that we've had over the years through thick and thin. It's hard to make a small business work in today's climate, and we have a lot of loyal customers who have supported us for a long time, and we appreciate that.
The best way to get a hold of us is going onto our website at elitecollisionbg.com. And there's a link right there, a QR code. You can just use your phone and it will open up a little browser where you take photos. It walks you through what pictures to take, and that comes straight into our computer system so that we can write an estimate for you. We look forward to working with you and building a relationship and fixing your car the proper way.